Welcome back to Mini Brothers. And today we have the cravenspeed chassis brace that we're going to install on under the car. So for that, we're going to head on over to my cousin Ainsworth's house, jack the car up, and he's going to help us get it installed. Super excited to get this mod on the car. Glad you're with me. Go ahead and subscribe. Let's go. So you take these two bolts out right there, and that takes out the back one. This is my cousin Ainsworth underneath the car.
18 millimeter socket.
18 millimeter. And as you can see, this is the replacement for it. So this is a very different thing that we're putting on. The replacement is much thicker, so it should be much more rigid. So now we got to take off the front one, which is 6 T45 bolts. So it should be a pretty quick job to replace those. And then we're gonna, as you can see, it's also pretty thin. We're gonna be replacing that with a much thicker billet aluminum piece. So that's a pretty big difference. So this is the stock one coming off, and this is the replacement. As you can see, it's much thicker, much more solid. Even sounds more solid. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one on. that's it. We got them installed. So we're going to drive the car in a little bit and see if that makes a difference. Let's see what the opinions are on that. Once we got this installed on the car, we went straight out on the road. As you can see here, I'm weaving in the lane to try and assess how differently the car handles with this chassis brace on. All I can tell you is that this is an essential mod. It made the understeer in my car completely go away. Now I do have other performance upgrades to my suspension, so in addition to those, this made my understeer completely neutral, and now the car goes into a slight four-wheel drift when it breaks traction, which is exactly what I want in my case. This upgrade makes spirited driving so much more fun and predictable. If you're going out driving B roads, I highly recommend getting one of these. It's a very affordable upgrade. It's something that you can do yourself, as you can see, in your own garage with only a few tools. It's very quick and it's very transformative to the driving experience on an F56. So go out and get yourself one of these. I can't recommend this anymore. It's a wonderful upgrade to a mini F56. That's it for this video. If you like the content in the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you like what we're putting out on the channel, go ahead and subscribe. We're going to keep working on the car. We have a couple other cars we're going to be working on. We're glad to have you on the journey with us. Till next time.